Welcome, here we are at Concierge Camping, and we are going to take a quick look around today and show you what this site has to offer. Concierge Camping is located 5 miles or so to the west of Chichester. It is only a 25-minute drive to Portsmouth and a little over 45 minutes away from the city of Southampton. You approach on the B2146. As you can see, the roads approaching and the entrance are spacious enough for even the largest of rigs or caravans or motorhomes or whatever you are arriving with. So we are now going to take a walk around the entire site, which won't take too long as there are only 27 pictures. And to our left here we have the reception and the bar area, and also the motorhome service centre that we've just passed, and we are now approaching some of the more basic pictures. Off to the left here goes down to the safari lodges, more on that later, and you can also see the emperor pictures here. And that's pretty much it, and we will show you the safari lodges in a bit more detail right now. They have 3 types of pitches. The smaller one that can fit units up to 8 meters long, which is what we had, as you can see here. They also had a larger pitch that could accommodate larger setups. They then had the emperor pitches with a large permanent tent for use. And here you can see there's a seating area, washing up area, a fridge, a cooker, and even a large screen television, perfect for those evenings in. So this area takes you through to the safari lodges, and if you're staying in one of these lodges you have to park here to the right by the fence. So we're going on a quick walk to look at the safari lodges, but it's really nice around the back here with this stream. Are very private, so I don't think I can sneak in, but I'm sure they're very comfortable. More glamping than camping now, I think. So you may have worked out by now that the main pictures are in a circle, and at the centre of that circle is the bulk of the facilities and this modern attractive building. Starting with the showers, you can see that the green lights at the end here around the door, these actually turn red when there is someone in there, so it's easy to see which ones are available. I think there are 8 shower rooms in total, which means it's more than adequate when there's only 27 pitches. There's a handheld shower or a rain shower head on the ceiling, and the mirrors in here are heated too. The toilets are in a separate door around the other side of the block and are equally as nice. Don't forget your sunglasses though, because the loo paper is a little bit bright. this is the Elsan unit where you can wash your... Okay. Where you can clean your chemical toilet, or if that is below you, you can get the machine to do it for you. No idea how it works, and we haven't got a toilet with us, so I'm really sorry I can't show you, but...
We're gonna have to beep.
Sorry, I'm just reading it. I don't know.
Have to beep this out. Beep.
I think it's more for cassette toilets from motorhomes, not porta potties from camper vans, which is a shame. Let's carry on. So that's the same as those ones, was it, Max? Okay. Have a look. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
So that makes ice. You need ice.
How about we get this for?
Well, we don't really need ice, but if we do, we know where to come. That's where they do the washing machine and tumble dryer. Let me show you people. What is this? This is the washing up area. Oh yeah, it's like a posh kitchen, isn't it? The granite worktops. Without a doubt, the best toilets we've ever been in at a campsite, but that was kind of expected, as we expected that. So here we are at the shop slash bar slash reception. There's this Mediterranean style seating area, and the reception area itself is kind of split into two. The left hand side is the shop and the reception area, selling all sorts of knickknacks and drinks and crisps, sweets and snacks, etc. And the right hand side is a bar type area selling a wide selection of drinks. There's a seating area out the front, which is quite comfortable, and there is more of a beer garden type seating area out the back. They serve a wide range of drinks here, and you can buy takeaways to take back to your pitch. And why not treat yourself to that £375 bottle of champagne? And if you are buying that bottle of champagne, then you might have a Tesla. So you can charge it at these electric charging points. You can dump your rubbish right here. You can service your motorhome here. And finally, you can wash your dog in here. Yeah, they really have thought of everything. People one shot in his little capsule thing, he said they sometimes put two in the So that is it. We are leaving a Concierge Camping. I can't help but say in a funny voice when I say Concierge Camping. Concierge Camping.
Oh yeah, we can.
And what do we think? Would we go back?
Yes.
Would we go back?
I would.
Yeah, the showers were a bit. The pictures was a bit overgrown. I don't know. Would we go back?
Definitely.
Yes, we will go back. Very nice there. Very
And
quiet.
next time, I would want to stay in the one with the tent or whatever it's called, next to the pitch, where you've got
Like the
television, big fridge, oven, cooker oven, big dining room table, washing up facilities in the safari tent.
Safari tent, yeah.
Yeah.
But you can't sleep in them.
But you can't sleep in them, no.
But our rating is good. We would go back. We like it. We would recommend it. Near Chichester.
Yeah. You can't walk. The lady was just saying it's difficult.
Yeah, it's hard to walk anywhere because the roads don't have footpaths and they're quite busy. So he suggests going to the station and getting a bus or a
Which
taxi.
isn't that far because we've just driven over to the train station.
Yeah.
So it's like probably a 10-minute walk to the train station.
Yeah. I reckon so.
And then probably a train into Chichester.
So that is it. That is Concierge Camping. I hope if you visit, you like it as much as we do.
Max gave it a 5-star. In fact, he had 2 showers
Yeah, he never showers at a
in the
campsite.
space of 12 hours.
He had one last night and one today. He said that isn't a recommendation for their facilities, then nothing is. So, thank you. Give us a thumbs up if you like the video. Don't forget to please subscribe
And hit that notification.
and hit that notification bell, and we will see
So
you
you don't miss another crazy video.
so we don't miss another crazy video. And we'll see you in the next one.
Crazy.
Bye!
Bye.
Bye. I'm sorry.